How do you look at a saved emails on the iPhone? Let me explain it and show you where you can find them. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So there are actually more ways how you can save emails, right? So let's say that I go to my inbox, I open up this promotion email, whatever, and I can, for example, click on the option in there and for instance decided that I want to move the message, right? So I could move the message in here, or there was also the folder icon right away. And the whole point is that if you want to save it to some kind of folder, then you can move it to wherever you want to, right? So for example, I have a favorites folder or work related stuff, or even folders I created myself. So if you saved it in some kind of category like this one, let's say I put it into my favorites, you can see that it kind of disappears from the main inbox. So now you might be wondering, where exactly can you find it? And the way to do it is by going to the left arrow in the top corner, like so, and you essentially want to browse the folders. So the first section is the mailboxes put together, because as you can tell, I have both iCloud and a Gmail added, but we were working in iCloud and I moved it from the inbox to the favorites right here. So this is where I can find it. This is where it was moved, right? So I obviously have more folders which I can work with. You can also click on edit, right? And these are the folders which already exist, but you can create new ones and save your emails there. So it really just comes down to where you are saving that email, right? So you might also see that there is like a different way to save emails, because if you go to like the received message, you can always click on this like arrow button and you can also flag it, right? Which would also be kind of like saving it in a separate category, right? Or you can also click on print, which is going to turn it into a PDF, and this can be saved somewhere into the Files app. So yet another method of like saving emails and knowing where it went, right? So I hope that I was able to explain it to you. If you have some further additional questions about this, leave them below. I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.